that was the craziest thing I've ever done.
I felt nervous for you, boss.
Yeah, they're gonna have to move that stuff.
Taking gambles in this car is the last thing you want to do.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are we feeling right now, Braden?
Pretty confident, actually. It looks, the setup is actually kind of nice. It's got like the wood and then the double race ramp. So this is actually, I feel like this will be pretty smooth.
I think we got it. We got it.
I hope so.
I never let somebody run the car on my bed. Are you comfortable doing it? 100%? Okay.
Did you want to do it or you want to guide? Whatever.
I trust you, and I'm gonna do the watching.
Okay. Okay. Just watch the diffuser mainly.
How many inches do we have?
It's the price you pay of looking too good.
We're about to come up, so go real slow.
It should be good. Yeah, all right, go ahead, keep going.
We're looking for a truck right now. Okay. All right. Just give me about 15 minutes. Thank you.
This thing is so low, looks so good, but I mean, got it off. Almost didn't get it off, but we got it off.
Hold on.
It's my first time ever being here. We took cars to, it was like something on the grass, or it was some type of like polo event. That's what it was, polo event. We took a couple cars there, but other than that, I've not been here, so. This is kind of cool being here, kind of seeing everything. It's like SEMA, but like way less. We just kill the competition every time, that's why.
Exactly.
There's no competition when we show up. It's like, oh my God, did you see Creative Bespoke's car? It's like, which one? Which one of our 6? Oh, this is sick. Those people, they've never seen something like that in their life.
Oh no. They don't even know what this is. Make some turns.
Yeah, a couple turns. Was this the one you were thinking about?
Yeah.
Okay, I was like, damn, that's not the one then.
Yeah, this was. Oh yeah, we got some space. No worries.
Did he just tell me to do a U-turn? No way, right?
I was like, this was the next turn I was thinking about. That could be tricky.
Can I go over this? I'm gonna rip their tape by turning. Oh, fuck. This way? Well, I should have reversed in, bro.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking that, but
I mean, we'll make it work.
Time, yeah.
I'm gonna pull forward and reverse this way.
You might, yeah, if you want to pull all the way forward and then reverse, yeah.
Working? We're not working with nothing. This is horrible. You ever seen an 11-point turn before where you're about to? Yeah, he's got nothing on me. Cool. Perfect. How many turns did we count? We should count that.
Oh, we got all the eyes on us. Now we're in stealth mode too.
It's a Tesla. Mm-hmm. It's a really cool Tesla.
That was just speakers.
What's up? Oh my, bro.
You are totally chilling over.
Oh, I am?
there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Holy, this is like the most recent Highline?
It's like pardon the Red Sea, dude.
That's being nice too. That's not, taking gambles in this car is the last thing you want to do. This was the best way to, there was no center route?
No,
no way.
Really good. Alright, it's gonna be tight.
Yeah.
So we'll just, again, it might need an Austin Powers situation.
Okay. Dude, that was the craziest thing I've ever done.
Dude, that was wild, bro.
Yeah, and once we get everyone out at the end of the event, it'll obviously be wide open.
Yeah,
way more open. So.
Hell yeah, bro.
Looks sick. Thank you.
No problem. You too.
We'll have the stanchions there so no one can sit there and, you know, touch the car, do things like that. If we need to remove the seating area, we totally can. There should be enough room.
I think it's enough room.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're good.
No, it's gorgeous.
So a little while back, we built this car and sold it to a good client, and this car is here at Barrett Jackson. This is going to be going in the auction. This car is incredible. HREs, 3-piece wheels, Liberty Walk wide body package, all custom white paints on air suspension. This is one crazy car, and it's for sale. And then of course, major shout out to all the guys over at Highline Autos for making all of this happen, putting everything together. Dylan, thank you, brother.
Appreciate
it's been
you, boss.
fun. We got the car in, the beautiful show. I can't wait to show up tomorrow and the next day for when all the cars and all the people arrive. The event is gonna be pretty crazy, and thanks to Highline, we're in it. If you guys are here in Phoenix, Arizona, Barrett Jackson is one of the highest rated shows that you can go to here in Phoenix, Arizona. There's one that's happening right now in the beginning in January, and then when's the other one?
The other one's in October. This
October.
is definitely the main event though. Like everyone wants to come out to the January, whether you're a car person or not. Everyone's gonna be out here having a good time, having some drinks. It's an awesome event that the Valley comes together and has a good time.
And the cars you see here are out of this world.